Ngayon is a very symbolic moment, not just in the history of Alaminos, but in the history of the Republic of the Philippines. Unang-una, dito po unang gaganapin ang pinakauna na syudad, the very first city na magkakaroon ng next generation 911.
Sabi ni Mayor, ito ay isa sa makasaysayan na hindi lamang sa lungsod at sa buong bansa na kauna-unahang city na nag-activate ng 911 Command Center. Tayo po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating mahusay na pamumuno ng butihing Mayor na si Mayor Brian Celeste at sa kanyang matibay na liderato.
Kami po is humbled with the Mayor and Alaminos choosing us as your partner to provide this valuable public safety service sa constituents ng Alaminos City.
Mahalaga po itong project ninyo ng Emergency 911. Iilan lang po ang LGUs na may mga ganito. That's why we are encouraging LGUs na sana ho to step up. Kailangan ho natin kasi mga ganito makabagong technology para po maharap natin yung mga challenges, yung mga hamon sa mga present situations. Alam ho naman natin na maraming disaster ang dumarating sa Pilipinas. Maraming pangangailangan ng ating mga mamamayan pagtungkol sa mga emergency situations. So itong project na to, ito po ay napaka-importante. It's very relevant. This is necessary and essential. This is life-saving. And this project will further boost development in your city.
First question that you also raised was with regards to the geofencing. The geofencing is basically to honor or to respect the jurisdiction or area of responsibility of a particular local government unit. So, consistent with the EO 56, any disaster, incidents, or emergencies happening within the local government unit's jurisdiction, they should be the first one to address.
Right now, sir. Yes, just to inquire, is this saan command center na po ito?
Sa City Bank natin, sir.
Saan po?
Sa City Bank natin, sir.
Okay, alright. Thank you. This is a test call actually happening at the port.